Forecast.
Good Monday evening. There's the view from the Charlottesville camera. A lot of cloudiness. We've had some breaks for some sunshine, but excessively humid, and it's going to remain that way for a while. There are some downpours in progress. We'll get to those in a moment. 82 currently at the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport, made up to 85 this afternoon. We have a dew point of 71. So again, it is very humid. It's like you can wring out the wash rag and it just pours, and that's what some of these showers will be capable of doing, along with some thunderstorms. 82 right now at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Mostly cloudy skies across the region. Some locations getting downpours currently. That's knocked the temperature down a little more. 74 in Culpeper, have 75 in Orange, 81 in Palmyra, 78 in Waynesboro, and 82 in Lovingston. Take a little tour and show you some of these downpours in progress. Here we are along the Rapidan, just north of Orange and up toward Madison, up toward the Kriglersville area. Some heavy downpours in progress here, and there's more continuing to stream off to the north and really northeast. And then some heavier rain. Here we are basically west of the 151 out toward Beech Grove and Wintergreen, lifting up toward Sharando and up toward Stewart's Draft. And then we go for Craigsville and out toward Middlebrook. Activity 2 lifting off to the northeast and north of Stanton near Verona and Mount Sidney. Downpours in progress up toward Bridgewater and Harrisonburg. So as we go through the next several hours, this is what we're going to see. Some locations will receive some heavier rain, others won't. A lot of this will have a tendency once the sun goes down, and then later tonight, shortly after midnight, a lot of that will die off. Now tomorrow we'll hold on to a lot of clouds, some breaks in the overcast, and then some showers and thunderstorms, especially tomorrow afternoon and evening. Temperatures tomorrow in the low and mid 80s, so it will be another humid day. And we'll have to watch out tomorrow night and especially into Wednesday for the potential of some isolated severe weather. Currently a marginal risk is kind of highlighted up the 81 corridor and closer toward the southern sections of the 29 for an isolated spin up from the remnants of what will be Fred lifting off to our west. So if you're east of that center of circulation, you can never rule out an isolated spin up. Now some of the heaviest rain may be shunted farther to our west, but we could see maybe 2 to 4 inches potentially, although it looks like some of the higher amounts will be a little farther to the west. That's something we'll follow. Fred made landfall with 65-mile-per-hour winds. It's northwest of Apalachicola. It'll continue to work off to the north and northeast, and here it is as a remnant low into Wednesday morning. But all that moisture out ahead of that center of circulation will start to impact the region starting tomorrow night into Wednesday. Of course, east of that center, that's where the tornado watch box is, and that's where you can certainly see some spin-up tornadoes in association with that center of circulation. But look at all this heavy rain lifting up toward the mountains of South Carolina, the southern Appalachians, and in North Carolina, Georgia. That'll be the case. Well, can you tell we're in the prime of the hurricane season? We have Fred, we have Grace, and we have Henry. Grace is a depression. This is going to strengthen. Henry is southwest of Bermuda and moving erratically. And of course, Fred's made landfall. As far as tonight, again, some downpours here, some isolated storms. That'll kind of die off as we go past midnight. And then here we are into Tuesday. We'll start dry. And then here come those showers and thunderstorms, especially tomorrow evening. We'll have to watch into Wednesday for any of these that could have a quick spin up in terms of an isolated severe threat. Temperatures tonight, either side of 70, shower, storm, muggy, some areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. That daily shower and thunderstorm chance will continue, although the tropical rain here through Wednesday in association with Fred. We'll be right back.